Hey guys, it's JP here with Krawler. I want to go over with you today all the different types of control arms that we offer for your Jeep applications because we have a plethora of control arm options for you. We have the Adventure Series, Adventure X, XFactor, XFactor Pro, and XFactor Pro Elite, which is our PB&J lower arms. We'll take a deep dive into these to explain to you the features and benefits of each one so you can choose which one fits your application best. The first and most simple form of a control arm that we offer is the Adventure Series arm. It has a high clearance bend in the middle, made from 1.5" solid alloy steel, has Adventure Series joints at both ends, and is fixed, i.e. both ends are welded. This is the least maintenance control arm that we offer, still comes with our lifetime warranty, and offers a total of 70 degrees of misalignment for off-road use. Extremely smooth on the road, but very capable off-road. Again, the least maintenance arm that we offer. The next series of arms that we offer is Adventure X. A little bit beefier than the Adventure Series, features Adventure Series joints at both ends. Again, a total of 70 degrees of misalignment out of the control arm assembly. With the high clearance bend, the extra feature of adjustability, but that also does bring a little bit of maintenance into the equation when you're factoring keeping jam nuts tight. It is made of 1.75" solid alloy steel and comes with a lifetime warranty. Our third series of control arm is the XFactor arm. This one features the Adventure Series joint at the frame connection for nice vibration isolation when you're driving on and off the road, and the adjustability of the Pro X Krawler joint at the axle connection. Again, it's 1.75" solid alloy steel with the high clearance bend, lifetime warranty, a total of 95 degrees of misalignment out of each control arm assembly. You do introduce maintenance with the Krawler joint with regular servicing. They are rebuildable, adjustable preload, and obviously the control arm is adjustable. Our fourth series of control arm is XFactor Pro. Solid 70-75 aluminum control arms, 1.75" in diameter, left hand, right hand thread, so they are in vehicle adjustable. Very similar to the XFactor, you have the Adventure Series joint at the frame connection for vibration isolation, and the Pro X Krawler joint at the axle connection. Same misalignment as the XFactor, a total of 95 degrees of misalignment. You do have the maintenance at the axle connection with the greasing of the Pro X Krawler joints. Again, rebuildable, serviceable, and adjustable preload. Our PB&Js, available in a couple different configurations based on what systems they are going in. As shown, this is shown for our Pro Elite Adventure systems with Adventure Series joints at both connections. It can also feature the Adventure Series joint and the Pro X Krawler joint, similar to the XFactor construction and XFactor misalignment capabilities. They start out as a billet piece of 2x3 70-75 aluminum and get machined as shown. We offer these in both mid-arm and long arm lengths in various configurations depending on the application. When it comes to choosing the right control arm for you and your vehicle, obviously there's many things to consider. One is budget. You is knowing you and what you want to get out of your vehicle. The third is the ability to maintain the components that you are putting in your vehicle to keep them up to proper operating standards. If you don't want to do maintenance, the Adventure Series arms are perfect for you. You want a little bit of adjustability and no maintenance, Adventure X is the perfect arm for you. You're a little bit more hardcore, the XFactor series is perfect for you. Obviously, if you want straight, a shiny little piece of bling with aluminum, XFactor Pro is perfect for you. If you want the ultimate in bling for your Jeep application, the XFactor Pro Elites or PB&J arms are certainly the highest that we offer and that we've seen in the off-road community today. Know you, know your budget, choose the right product for you.